Foshan City, Jingchangri Garment Co Limited, established in 2024, is a professional manufacturer and designer engaged in the research, development, production of jeans products. Our factory is located in Chunde Town, Shunde District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, covers an area of 5,500 square meters, which is well known as the City of Jeans, is a large-scale production base of denim fabrics, accessories, and garments. Our main products are women's jeans, men's jeans, women's denim jackets, women's denim skirts, women's short jeans and other customized denim products. Our production lines are equipped with advanced cutting machines, pattern grading machines, sewing machines, locking machines, air compressor, nailing machines, and ironing machines. Dedicated to years of production experience, numerous denim industry veterans, and strict quality control system, we are always available to discuss your detailed requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained SA8000 2014 certificates and product test reports, providing environmental-friendly materials to humans and can meet international environmental protection requirements. Our jeans products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North American countries, European countries, Asian countries. Welcome to visit Jingchangri factory and exchange new products catalog. Our professional team will provide the satisfactory production, business export, and shipping services. We hope to establish satisfactory and long-term business relationships with you in each corner of the world.